Hi everyone. Today I am here to let you all know about our project which is on gesture controlled switch. Home automation nowadays is the new trend of the industry. So I, along with my group members, have developed an indigenous product that is simple to use while being affordable and modular. Instead of the traditional switchboard, we have implemented a gesture-based touch panel. It is a user-friendly device that can also be operated with the help of a mobile application. It is operated using a portable charger which can be charged externally or using a solar panel. This is purely based on the capacitance that is detected on the panel.
Hello everyone, I am going to tell you about the touch panel that we have used in our project. We have used a capacitive touch panel to detect any actions or gestures performed over it. So we have made a capacitive touch panel in a 4x4 matrix form, in which if we touch, a capacitance is produced. So how is this capacitance produced? Our finger, when kept on the square matrix, will act as a one plate, and the square matrix itself act as a second plate. So all we know is C is equals to epsilon A by D, where epsilon is given as epsilon naught into epsilon R, A is given as the area of the 4x4 matrix, and D is given as the distance between the two plates. The 4x4 matrix is interconnected through a resistor network. A square pulse is given on the input side, and on the output side we are measuring the fall time of the input pulse on the timer. According to the values we get any keys pressed or any action is performed on the controller at Mega 2560.
Hey guys, I'll explain you the working model of our project. As the capacitance that was detected by Atmega 2560 is now encoding the actions that are being performed. That is swipe left, swipe right, swipe up and swipe down. These actions are being now transmitted through the Bluetooth module from transmitter to the receiver. At the receiver's point, we have Arduino connected to it. Arduino takes the serial input to it, detects which action has been performed, and according to that, it sends it to relays. Relays are then after that connected to the appliances of the household, that is LEDs, lights, then fans, etc. These appliances are then turned on, turned off according to the actions that are performed by us. And the main technology that is used by us is the ultrasonic method. In this technology, we are just performing the wave actions, and according to the waves, that is left wave and right wave, all the appliances are turned on and turned off. This was the basic working of the project.
Start. On, volume off, all off. Bulb on, bulb off. Bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off. Fan 1 on, fan 2 off. Fan 1 off, fan 2 on, fan 2 off.
Application.
Bulb 1 on, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off, fan 1 on, fan 2 off, fan 1 off, fan 2 on, fan 2 off. All appliances on, all appliances off.
Thank you.